elimination time. Already? Yeah, why not? But
Let's see.
Stevie, I think you will. You will, bro. So because let's go with the president. Plus, we decided the elimination era. Do you like it? Yeah. Oh, what do we get? You get sunflower pots. You got flower pots. You got sunflowers in them. Wow. Plus, only you and Lego only received the lights, and guess who's going home? Study a tablet. With only a vote, you are eliminated. I really meant Queenie. So, tablet, I didn't hit you, but it just hit Queen said, so just like the rest of you. Anyways, let's just play the intro. Why we lose. It's to draw something, a picture of Magnificent Glass from for the Insanity. But if you draw him, if the team that draw the team with the most numbers drew him will get tackled on their team. But the people that have the fewest pictures on him and they haven't finished, they're up for elimination. So ready to go.
Dad, you need to draw him. I will draw it for you guys. I'll draw it first.
I finished. Wait. You United Kingdom. How you finished?
United Kingdom's not cheating.
It's not cheating.
Finish it fast.
I always do. I always paint so fast. I'm the fastest painter. Oh. Now. Hey. Wait, did I just spit? You know what? I'm not gonna draw my words. I just finished. I finished. Plus, I made a mini. The rest finished drawing. Only one person on Team Lego made a mini, but the rest made him zoom massive. And he made him the normal size, so he fitted so that he wins and get tackled on the team. The Lions, for winning this challenge, you get tackled on the team. But in the next episode, there'll be no more teams. But plus there'll be two new teams. So, anyways, you can vote 2 people out, but you can only this time do 1, and vote anyone on Team Legos to be eliminated. Voting ends on the 7th of April. Hey Taco, do you see that white face there?
Hey Branson.
Sour cream.
See you on Battle for Platinum Island 14.
See what Island 14. See BFPI 14 coming on the 15th of April. But it's 2018. But if it's delayed, it will be released on the 20th of April.